Hello, this is Team Rock, and today we will do NTE challenge. Today we choose solar energy because the strength of sun rays and temperature.
We use the TEC because it is considered a gateway to energy. That is, if we give it heat, it will supply us with electricity, and if we give it electricity, it will supply us with heat.
The TEC, when exposed to strong sunlight such as the sun in Iraq, it will give you a high voltage.
And if you color the TEC black, the black color will collect the light, and the TEC will collect sunlight. And now we are going to turn on 5-volt light.
If we use a lot of TEC, we can run a whole house.
But the TEC must be placed in a special place to receive the strong sunlight like this.
This dish collect the sunlight and make them enough to melt the iron.